This is a consultancy pitch deck made in Gamma. And this is the same deck made in Claude Design. Now, this is a live Streamlit dashboard. Claude Design built it from one prompt. Gamma simply can't do that. Today, Claude Design versus Gamma on a real consultancy workflow. I'm the founder of Agentic Lab. I'll show you exactly when Claude Design wins, when Gamma holds its ground, and which tool belongs in your delivery deck. Claude Design launched on 17th of April 2026. It's a research preview bundled free with every paid Claude plan. It's powered by Claude Opus 4.7, Anthropic newest vision model. It produces decks, prototypes, one-pages, landing pages, and interactive dashboards. But here's the feature that actually matters. During the onboarding, Claude Design reads your brand, your code base, your design files, your existing components. It builds a design system once, it applies it automatically to every project after that. You can run more than one brand if needed. You can also hand off to Claude Code. Gamma is not a small target. 70 million users, 100 million in annual revenue, a $2.7 billion valuation. It's been the default for AI generation decks for nearly 2 years now. It's a strong free tier and $8 to $20 per seat on the paid plans. And let's be fair, Gamma genuinely wins on 3 things: speed to first draft, template variety, adoption by non-technical users. If your marketing lead needs a deck by lunch, Gamma delivers it. But here's the test: same prompt, same brand, Claude Design versus Gamma. So here's the brief. A fictional UK consultancy called Northlight Partners pitching an 8-week AI diagnostic to a 38-store homeware retailer called Harper & Finch. Same prompt, same brand system loaded onto both tools. Let's start with Gamma. Here, create, generate, paste the prompt. We are generating a 6-slide deck. We're going to pretend to be called Northlight Partners for this one. We're still using our agentic theme, and we have a Harper and Finch potential client. And the goal here is to generate 6 slides where we pitch for an assessment. Okay, so that's done. Edit prompt. Make sure our agentic theme is selected. Everything else is fine, and we generate. And here we are. Gamma is generating it. It creates the title slide, picked up the correct information, who is the client, how the partnership works, has all the key information in. Okay, we're going to leave this running for a bit. Our outline, how we're going to do it, how the work breaks down over 4 phases, week by week. So that's all looking good. And here we are. Like I mentioned, it's very quick, and we have all the 6 slides in one place. We can start presenting it straight away from here. We can go and modify each individual slide if we want to. And we also have the full export capabilities as well. So if we want to go to the PowerPoint, it's all there. Okay. Now we're going to do the same, but in Claude Design. Okay, so we're in Claude Design. What we're going to do, the project name, gonna say pitch slide deck, create, drop it in. That's our whole prompt. So it's what it's saying over here. We have a make a deck. It supplies our design and our design scheme, and then our prompt of 21 lines. Press send. Now, Claude Design will take much, much longer compared to Gamma. So what happened so far? The Claude parsed the prompt, it listed the files, it accessed additional information, it made the plan for that, and it then running the scripts to generate the actual content. Now it starts writing of the actual presentation. There you go. It finished editing, says the deck delivered. It checked for a few overlaps. I must say this is not perfect, but I'll show you how to edit it and make changes to it. Still, if you compare that to Gamma, while this uses our colors and fonts, the slides that we got from Claude Design are much, much closer and much more on brand. The other important difference is over here, we can actually still ask it to tweak. We can comment and send the comments straight to Claude as well. So for example, we could say this, show better alignment to other elements and send. Then it will know that we're talking about exactly this particular point. So other slides also are much more interesting. There's definitely a lot more detail, the right fonts, the right flow, if you like. It's a lot more pleasing to the eye. Now, the information itself is also available for export. So we can share, we can download as a zip, PDF, PPTX. We can send to Canva for further editing. You will see I will be doing some handing over to Claude Code in a minute when we're building the dashboard. You can present, just like from Gamma, you can present straight away, full screen or in a new tab over here. You can also draw the slides as well. And all of that can be passed 2 Claude 4 changes. Right, it's still verifying the change that we ask it to do. So on this comparison, Claude Design wins hands down. It's able to use the backgrounds. It looks so much like the actual website. Okay, for the next one, let's create a dashboard. Let's say this customer is now asking for us to deliver a dashboard on performance. Go into Gamma, create new. We don't get the dashboard as an example, so we just say generate prompt, and this outlines our whole dashboard that we're trying to do. Add in prompt, select our theme, and generate. Right, here we are. Here's our dashboard. Built quickly, efficiently. It also sort of follows the theme, so it has the colors. Before the Claude Design, I would have been quite happy and quite impressed by that. Much, much better than majority PowerPoint presentations out there. So generation is almost complete. It's finishing up, doing a couple more. And this is where it stops. Now we can go into the present. We could publish it as a mini website if we want to. We can make additional changes around that. And we can add additional slides if needed. Quick and easy. Now let's see if we're going to do the same, but in Claude Design. So we start a new project. We will now say other. So the project going to be a dashboard. We still use our agentic theme design theme. Okay, over here we say it's clearly design a KPI dashboard and send. So Claude made the plan, read the whole prompt. It has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps plan. So it hasn't updated to-dos yet, but it's already created part of the dashboard. But it stopped fidgeting and thinking, so we are complete. For you to better see the whole dashboard, better to zoom out a little bit so you could see all the information and all the details. Like anything else, all our usual tweaks, comments, and edits available. And I must say, I find this level of detail is very, very impressive. Now let's quickly have a look at what we have with Gamma. Yes, we have some dashboards and we have the values over here, but it's not anywhere near as impressive as Claude Design. Now, the crazy thing about the Claude Design, because it done so much analytics, we can now take it and hand it over to Claude Code, and we can implement that. So how does that work? We go into Share, hand over to Claude Code, copy. Then we have our Claude Code open, paste it in. Let's add implement in Streamlit and enter. A couple prompts from Claude Code. Okay, so we encountered a quick error. Let's see, we're just going to give the log to the, it says it fixed. Okay, so we need to rerun the app again. And here it is. Exactly the same, but what you saw built within the Claude Design is now available as a fully interactive app with all the visuals elements built in Python completely. So it's easy to change. It can be hosted. You can see I'm running it on a local host at the moment. Could be anywhere else. Ready to share. And we can also connect it to the real data. So then the actual dashboards become actually interactive and loaded with the real data. So that simply isn't possible with Gamma. Let's talk about the killer feature. What makes this so powerful? The core part is the design itself. If I were to go into Open, you will see what went into it. We have a full control over all of the backgrounds, including the actual images we use on the website, all the navies, various gradients that we use. There's a full selection about how the body looks like, what all our fonts are. With all the various elements. There's also a full and complete combination of our stat tiles, the secondary and highlights, or all of the variations of our logo loaded in here. And because of that, Claude Design is able to build something that is so incredibly on brand. Okay, now let's talk about numbers. Gamma Pro is $20. That's what I've been paying for it ever since I published my first video. For 25% consultancy, that's a $500 a month or $6,000 a year. Claude Design is bundled free with your existing Claude subscription, so you have nothing to pay if you're already using Claude. But the real cost isn't the price, it's switching cost. Perhaps it's collaboration friction and whether your brand assets are clean enough for Claude Design to start working with it well. This isn't winner takes all. Choose Claude Design if 1. Brand consistency across the team of producers matters more than a raw draft speed. 2. You need working dashboards or interactive prototypes your clients can actually use. 3. You're already on a Claude subscription. 4. You want one tool for decks, reports, dashboards, and microsites. Now choose Gamma if one of your team is a non-technical and values a plug-and-play over configuration. 2. If you need a full multi-editor collaboration today. 3. It's a draft first, refine later is genuinely your workflow. 4. You rarely produce data visualizations or interactive outputs. And honestly, most consultancies should use both. Gamma for weekly marketing decks churn and Claude Design for high-stake client work, reports, and anything else that needs to feed into the code. Now, the honest caveats. Claude Design is research preview. It's not a finished software. Collaboration is basic. It's not fully multiplayer yet. If the three partners edit the deck simultaneously, you will feel it. Messy brand inputs produce messy outputs. If your brand guidelines are a 2019 PDF nobody uses, clean it up before giving it to Claude Design. Now, here's the takeaway. Claude Design doesn't replace Gamma for everyone, but quietly kills Gamma mode for consultancies that care about the brand consistency and can use the Claude Design handoff. If you're running a consultancy and you're not sure which AI tools fit your delivery workflow, that's exactly what we can help with. We offer a free AI readiness assessment. 30 minutes, no pitch, just clarity on where AI fits in your workflow. Link in the description. If you found this useful, check Gamma video that I did a few months back when I started using it myself. I'll see you in the next one.